Now that you've begun to relax into your breath, let's turn our attention to releasing tension from your body step by step. Start by focusing on your feet. Notice how they feel. Gently wiggle your toes, and then when you're ready, tense your feet slightly, holding that tension for a few seconds, and then release. Feel how your feet grow heavier as they relax into the surface beneath them. Allow any tightness to simply melt away. Now move your awareness to your legs. Bring your attention to your calves. Gently tense them, noticing the sensation of the muscles tightening. Hold for a moment and then release. Let your calves soften, letting go of any effort or tension. Feel your legs becoming heavier, more relaxed. Slowly shift your focus upwards to your thighs. Tighten those muscles now just for a moment and then let them go. Notice how much lighter your legs feel when you release that tension. Continue this process up through your body. Focus on your hands and arms now. Make a gentle fist with both hands, squeezing them slightly. Hold that tension and now let go. Feel your hands soften. Feel your arms relax completely.